Welcome everyone to another POV in the Corolla. I haven't done a POV in a while. I wanted to do weekly POVs, but I just never did it. So here we are. I'm just gonna get all of this set up and ready. So I just want to go on a little country drive and maybe push the car a little bit, see what it's made of. And also do, at the same time, you know, pushing it, trying to do a little bit of thorough, I guess, testing, just to make sure this car is ready to be Colorado bound. That drive takes almost 14 hours and it's about 1,000 miles. So I gotta make sure that this car is ready and set to be tackling that long of a distance. And before I leave, I'm gonna do a final inspection of everything on the car, making sure all the nuts and bolts are tightened, make sure nothing is going wrong. If I can figure out what the clunk noise in front is, that would be fantastic. If not, oh well. Here's what's happened with the car. There's really like one sort of major difference with it, and that is that the brakes squeak like crazy now when they get hot. When I'm coming off of an exit and I just hold on the brakes, they go nuts, and you'll see it, especially when I start doing some real hard braking. You'll hear it. Check engine lights on. Okay, nice. Still has its power though, so that's good. There we go, nice little pull. Let's slow it back down. I haven't had a check engine light for a long time, and now it's come back. Guarantee you it is P0171. The fucking lean code is, it guarantee you it's back. Oh, that is so annoying. Well, my brakes haven't been squeaking that much today. Oh, interesting. I'm gonna check if I have my scan tool in here. Hold on. There's this little... There's the squeak I'm talking about. So I hope I'm not trespassing if I come onto here. I just wanna just pull over in a safe spot and just like check this out. This is some like gang warfare shit over here. Oh, this does not seem safe. That's like a meth lab right there. Okay. What the f is this? Okay. Do I have my scan tool? Is it not in here? I thought I had it. Okay. Looks like I don't have it. I do have it. It's in here. Cool. Okay, so before I get shot, hopefully we can see what the code is for. I already know it's gonna be for the lean code. I knew it. System to lean. Okay, so I've never actually done this before. What happens if I erase it while it's on? Okay, light's gone. Holy sh! And we are off. I don't know. I gotta do something about that light, because just clearing it isn't gonna fix it. And now you see what I mean with the brakes just being so incredibly loud. Like, it's actually like kind of driving me crazy. Did I bring my key? Oh, I didn't bring my key. Whoops. But I am just gonna like chill out here for a bit and just check out the brakes, because I mean, they're probably real hot right now. Oh yeah, those are spicy. Sheesh. Oh man, I gotta clean all that up. Yep. I gotta clean up the rust inside. I don't know. I might try to like put some paint over it before I leave. How are the back brakes doing? Yep, they're also pretty hot. I mean, I can feel the heat coming off them. Oh no, that got taken out. Rip. I think the wind just like ripped off this little bit of wrap. Shoot. I wish I had my key. I wish I had my key for storage. I could fix it, but oh well. It looks like maybe a little bit of here too. So I think it's just the wind grabbing it up and just torturing the wrap. It's just the brakes are just noisy, but they work great. They work just as good as they have been. They're just loud now. I don't know. It doesn't bother me. It doesn't bother me that much. Actually, like, kind of driving me crazy. I just want to like not be super loud when I when I brake when there's like pedestrians and stuff. I try not to be too loud around just like people because they don't have earmuffs, and I'm sure these suckers are loud outside the car. Okay. So these corners, I never really like pushed it super hard. I've only done like a limited amount of runs on these corners. Because I mean like they're tight corners. You don't know if there's going to be like a car coming out or not, so you always want to be careful. So I've never pushed it like super hard. I say that's probably the fastest I've gone around those corners. Welcome to Wisconsin, everybody. Just, it's all this. It's all this. That's a new noise. Huh. Alright, it's this road. I don't come here a lot, so kinda don't remember what this all looks like. Just exploring a little bit before I leave. This is the stuff that I'm gonna miss out on. Thing is, there's nothing really here. There's nothing that interesting. It's just a business park where I can't really go that fast, so. Also, one thing I'm considering is swapping out my LED bulbs for something that isn't so bright, because I feel like it's a little on the bright side. These lights are quite bright, so I'm thinking maybe I should be considerate of other people. And where does this road go? I've never been here. This looks kind of interesting. It's also newly paved too. This is very nice. Yeah. Oh, this car handles like it's on rails. Oh my. Oh, never mind. There's no road here. Oh, it's up there. Okay, I was wondering for a second. I was like, "Where's the road?" Ooh, loud noises. I'm only gonna do a pull in first gear. I don't want to push it too much. So guys, that is going to be the end of this video. I'm not doing anything cool going back to my house, so I might as well just end the video there. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed, go ahead, leave a like, comment below, hit that subscribe button if you are new to the channel, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Goodbye.